on the previous episode of Shadow of Memories.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Oh, there. No, not there. Not there. Oh.
Hey, please be careful with that.
And with my man parts. So, yes, I knew it. Yes! Yes!
Just stop it!
No, I don't want to stop.
I don't want to die.
Oh, no. Oh, okay.
And now the thrilling conclusion.
Continuation. Chapter 3. Oh god. 5 o'clock. Okay. Okay, I have a statue now there. Oh god. Oh, come on. Oh no. Oh, that was a nice step actually. So cartoon-like. So old school. Yes.
Excuse me. What do you think you're doing? Do something useful. You know, like gathering information. I'd deeply appreciate it if you wouldn't disappoint me.
No, it's quite difficult actually. Why the fuck? Or how the fuck did I... What? No, I don't want...
Hello, Ike?
Oh,
God.
Mr. Eckert.
I need a name.
Supposed to come around to my museum today? If you're not, I was thinking about closing up here.
I'm sorry about that. I'm going to head out there right now. That's right. I was supposed to stop by the museum. I better get going.
Or maybe not. Okay, actually, this looked actually quite, let's say... Okay, where's the museum? Okay. Where's the museum? Oh, here is the museum. Okay, I think I'll take another road. Yeah, I think I'm taking another... Oh, should I take another road? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't take the head straight one. Okay, I'll ask you, okay? Tell me your secrets.
We're going to the art museum again. It's our daily course.
Okay. Makes sense.
My daily routine is walking up this slope to the art museum.
Is anything wrong?
What do you think of this?
Huh?
This. What do you think of this? The movie
Posters.
this poster's for. It's pretty popular, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so.
What's the secret for a hit film, anyway?
That you get hit.
I don't have a clue.
Oh wow. These textures.
Maybe it's the method.
Lovely.
The filmmakers or the director's life experience. Oh, I should have tried more things when I was young. I'll be 50 soon, and then it's all over. Life is short.
Oh no, don't say
You
that.
there. Make sure you leave with no regrets, all right? Live each day as though it's your first and last.
Well, technically it is.
Okay.
Okay, what about you? Tell me your secrets!
Hey, fella. Looking for the art museum? Just walk along the wall. You'll come to a hill next to a clock with an advertisement. Go up the hill and enter the gate.
Okay, maybe there's another way. So it seems like as if Okay. If this is the normal way to go, maybe I can go another way. Oh, like this! Energy unit! Oh, maybe there's a shortcut here. I'm too fat! If I'm gonna go up the hill, we can do it. Oh god. This doesn't feel right. This so doesn't feel right. Come on, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Ah, wait, I see. It was when I came out of the museum, I think. That would make sense, but please don't kill me now. Yes, it must have been when I came out. Oh, this is nice. Nice music. Yes, I'm entering now. Random doors. Adventure. Okay. No. Okay, can I go upstairs? Yeah, I can. Okay, maybe I have to see whether the... Yes. Progress, motherfuckers. Kitty! Kitties! Kitties! Oh, more kitties.
I'm sorry I'm so late.
Well, that's okay. Here, take a seat somewhere. So, what can I do for you today?
Good question.
Did you come to see my paintings again?
No. Well, I mean, that's what I was going to do, of course, but... Hey, Mr. Eckert, do you know anything about alchemy?
Why the sudden interest? Research of some kind?
Well, not exactly.
Well, let me see. I'm not really well up on it, but there was someone notable in this city, a man named Dr. Wagner. He was supposed to have been a magician or a scientist or something. I don't know anything much more than that, though.
I see. Do you have any documents and things from that time?
I think... Wait a second.
Yes. I take all of you kittens home when he's not looking.
Was this the one? Phew. Here.
Floating book,
Here,
nice.
I'll lend this to you.
My hair.
The magician of our city.
It's a fairly old book, maybe the oldest one here. I think it includes things like stories about real alchemists that worked in this city, recipes for the elixir of youth, even copies of documents from the era. Of course, you need to take it with a pinch of salt, maybe a fistful. If there really was an elixir, I'd want it myself. I'll let you know when I need that book back. By the way, do you like cats? Mine had a litter the other day, as you can see.
Thanks, but no thanks.
No! Take them, I want the
But if you
kitties!
have a friend or anyone who wants a kitten, let me know.
I want a kitten! I
You're
do!
going straight home today.
Give me all of them!
No, I was going to walk around the city some more before going home.
Yeah, nice. Good idea.
Was?
It's nothing. Just some personal stuff.
Beware of falling objects.
Well, anyway, I have some more work to do, so I'll keep the place open until I'm done. Feel free to look around.
Kitties!
It's better for the paintings to be looked at by someone who really appreciates them.
Thank you, I will.
Okay, so I now know I was supposed to... Got notebook, okay. Show me the old book. Oh, no, want to see the old book, please. The alchemist mentioned here must be a book with a lot of writings. Very interesting. Not interesting enough. Okay, I probably think I have to go somewhere, but I have an idea. Maybe I have to be careful. There must be something here. Can I take it? Look like a sponge on the table. Okay, there must be... Okay, I got this. Kids, I got this. So the kittens are throwing down objects to prevent the museum from getting any customers. So the guy is going bankrupt and he has to get away all of his cats. That's the evil plan there. Oh god, I know what you're doing. I got you there, kittens. I got you there bad. Okay, I have now been nearly everywhere. Oh, progress! I think. Oh, maybe should I look at these paintings? Oh, I can look. Cool. That's nice. Okay, maybe I should look at the paintings more. Okay, so here is the one. Okay, what's this? Paintings? Paintings! Horse! Paintings. Okay, maybe I should look for more of these paintings. They look important. Okay. I do not know if this is... Okay, there were two more actually. Where is this? Ah, this... Is this the one where... Okay, I see! I see! It must be the alchemist house, maybe? Wait a minute, have I been there before? Huh! It's gone! Do I still have it? Yes! Yes! There must be something important. Like some important... Oh yeah, like... Pictures. Okay. More pictures. Like, I want to see important pictures. Okay, these are not important pictures. I can't go there. Okay. Wow, this is difficult actually. Okay. Guys, I think I'm going down.
How are things?
Who's there?
Come on, who can it be? Oh, cool! Oh, that's why I thought this... Okay, maybe not. Interesting. Oh! Cool. He's a cool fellow.
I've heard that voice before.
Of course you have.
I like his feet.
You remember me now? I was the one who saved you. You should be a little more appreciative.
What's going on around here? Who are you?
That's not very nice. Can't you be a little more polite? I am homunculus. Not that there's much in a name. I've been waiting a long time to see you again.
Again.
I look for you everywhere.
Why
By the
again?
way, are you using the digipad?
Duh, of course. How does it done know?
Have you come here to kill me?
I think you misunderstand. I'm only trying to help you. Certainly not murder you. It's just that I don't know how to give you any direct help.
Suspicious. Very suspicious.
I think I'm going out of my mind.
I can't seem to convince you, can I? This is really very difficult.
Okay, I think running out is not a good idea. I want proof, motherfucker.
If, in some small measure,
What the?
Oh no, wait, did I do that? Oh, no. Oh, I'm sending back in I'm sent back in time! Oh, don't tell me to have to do this again. Slow motion, mother... Oh. 1979. 2000. I hope I'm not born at that time. I see.
I seeing things? Did that man?
Hooray! Oh gosh. Didn't realize anyone was out here. Sorry about yelling and everything.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Is my wife finally had her baby? She's gonna
Wow.
Yes, is there anything I can do for you?
No, nothing.
Wait, what am I doing? I have to think about what we're gonna call her. Hey, great to meet you. Bye.
What the fuck was that? Do you have to go back now? Oh, I'm going back now.
The digipad. It doesn't work.
well, how about that? Just a small example of what I can do. How will you get home now? You better solve that on your own. You should be able to handle a little thing like that, huh?
What am I supposed to do? There used to be something in here. If I get some...
Okay, maybe the energy should be still there, right? It must make... Oh, this makes sense. So, oh, my energy is like gone. Okay, there was something here, but Was it a bad idea to take this here? Oh come, please don't. Okay, I'm running around the Christmas tree and have a little fun. Okay, this way I go. Oh, there is one. Should I search for more? Oh, I don't have to search for more.
Now I can get back.
Should I go back? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm now in this time. Maybe I should do something with that. Like, take a look around. I mean, I already solved it, right? So, maybe it might be a good idea to get an idea. So, here is my statue. I want to take a look at it. Very interesting. So, come on. Isn't there this, yeah, the alchemy. We take the alchemy, go to the alchemy house. Maybe she gives me a hint on what else I can do. Okay, then that means, oh come on, sorry. That probably means there's only one thing that could mean. I'm supposed to just go back, right? I'm thinking, why am I'm getting transported back there, where I'm. Okay, maybe. Okay, I have a good idea. Oh god, yes. No more sprinting for you, EIke. No more sprinting. I'll do it here. Just because. Wait a second. Oh yeah. I thought my digipad was gone. Okay. Oh, cool. 3 times. I hope I chose the right time now. Although I don't know. If no energy left, that can't be good, can it? Oh god, oh my heart stopped for a moment there.
Well, what do you think? Are you a little more convinced? Dear.
Oh come on, EIke, what are you doing? Okay, there it is.
Come in. Is that you, Ike?
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Mr. Eckert, do you have a daughter?
Yes! Yes! Oh, it's KITTENS.
It's all right. I'll take care of it later.
I'm sorry.
I didn't think I ever mentioned my daughter to you.
Oh, did you die?
No.
Oh, did you die? Are you his daughter? Are you? Oh, lot of kittens! Kittens!
I do have a daughter. Or rather, I did.
I knew it!
She was taken by some madman right after she was born. My wife was killed in the same attack.
That's
Does
interesting.
that answer your question?
That's weird. That is pretty weird.
I'm sorry. I had no idea.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
I'm so sorry.
God damn it.
At least I'm not getting killed. A madman.
Any luck? Well,
Okay, I'll believe you for now. And I'm grateful that you gave me another chance at life.
now we're talking. Well, I'm really counting on you. If you die, I'll be in trouble too, you know.
Why?
I don't really get it. But are you sure about this? I mean, I can't do anything except for myself.
But that's all right. It's the way things should be. As you can see, my body is very fragile and won't let me do much. I picked up a baby the other day, and it was really quite terrible, absolutely exhausted me. I won't ever do that again. So because of all that, I can only provide you with some backup aid. Oh, I almost forgot. You will see that red stone again sometime. When you do, could you acquire it somehow?
I
I
think...
would like you to give it to someone called Dr. Wagner.
Okay, I see what that stone is.
That's all for now. I'll be seeing you.
Are you hiding behind that pillar? Found you! Damn it! God damn it!
What on earth is going on around here?
Alchemy redstone. Oh, yes! I survived yet again, my dear viewers. I'm glad I don't disappoint you. Okay, 7 o'clock. I'm dying in 2-hour differences. Nice. Ah! Oh god. What? Oh, that was cool. I got a timer. That's cool. I had 3 seconds. That's awesome.
Isn't there any way you can avoid being stabbed to death?
No, I
What
can't.
about putting something like an iron plate under your clothing? And if you
Fine.
make good use of that, perhaps
Ah, he's sitting down now.
make a good job of it.
That was so cool. Oh, nice, pretty. Yes, pretty. Yeah, now okay. I still have just 2 seconds left. Reading box. What was that? Okay. Yet another timeline. I think I can't wait. Okay, I'm here now. Ah, yeah, of course, we have to give it Dr. Wagner. So, to La Margaret, please. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I think I screwed up. Did I just screw up? I did screw up, right? Okay, I think it was the wrong time. Yes, yes, there was another timeline. Oh, no, no, please don't say... Oh, come on. Fudge, okay. Find a green light. Well, I definitely hope I find a green light somewhere. Oh god! I am so fucking glad.